family, welcome back to another video. How y'all doing? You good, sis? How you doing? Did you have a good weekend? Oh, I didn't do that. Did you have a good weekend? You said you did? Okay, good. You just chilled out? That's good too. Okay. So I just got back from pottery class, girl. Look at me. I literally just walked in the door. Pottery, okay? Listen, Auntie is trying her best to figure out ways to combat this awful anxiety that has gotten 100 times worse. And I mean that literally. I'm talking back-to-back panic attacks. Very debilitating. So anyway, I started me a pottery class today. I had no thoughts. Like nothing was on my mind. Nothing but the pottery itself. And it was so relaxing. Very therapeutic. I mean, very. So anyway, I'm going to just be doing little things just to keep me not even busy, but just not an idle mind. That's a good way to put it, because it's really bad, y'all. Anyway, look. So when I left pottery, I went to Target to get some more of my cruise stuff that I can remember from Helen, okay? So I'm gonna just show y'all what I grabbed, because I do remember Helen saying, carry full size everything. Like, don't do no travel size stuff, and make sure you have all the things you need. Now, so I got some, I ain't gonna take all 3 packs of toothpaste, but I got some toothpaste, the big container, so we'll just take the one. I got some dental floss. I got me a small Eco Styler gel so I can do these finger waves right here, honey, okay? I got that. I got a body wash, large size body wash. I got some Tylenol. I got some Advil. And if I'm forgetting anything, put it down in the comment section, because I got to go back out. And then I can make my list off of what you think I'm missing from Helen's video, if you watch her video. So Advil, Tylenol, because I'm probably going to be hungover. I got some hand sanitizer, Q-tips. And then I got me some 2 razors. You know, to shave some stuff just in case. I got a deodorant, Tums, because I need those every 5 minutes, literally. Listerine, not the biggest one, but one we can use for the time we're going to be gone. I got some Pepto-Bismol. Do people even still take this? This ain't even the real Pepto. Child, this is off-brand. 5 symptom digestive relief. It says has the same ingredients as Pepto-Bismol. Okay, so I got that. I got just a pack of toothbrushes. I got my favorite lotion. Okay, this is big, but this is my favorite lotion. That thing is heavy. I got a little thing of Vaseline, just, I don't know why, sitting there. Beach Defense, Water and Sun Protection 50 SPF, Neutrogena. Target did not, and that's all I got as far as like toiletries. If I'm forgetting something, you think I need something else that I know I'm forgetting, let me know in the comments so I can go back. Target did not have, all they had was Dramamine for Dramamine and less drowsy Dramamine for motion sickness. So I'm gonna go to the drugstore probably and get something for motion sickness. She recommended something. I can't even remember what she said, but I put it in my phone. I'm gonna go get that. And I kind of feel like I'm missing something else, but right off I can't think of what it is. Because actually I wasn't even planning on going to the store today. When I left the pottery class, I had no plans on going. So I didn't prepare my list, you know? I just ended up stopping because I saw a different Target that was really big, and I was like, ooh, let me go in here and look and be nosy. So anyway, pottery was fun. I made a bowl. Well, I was making 2 bowls. I was trying to make a matching set, like a his and hers bowl, but I messed the second one up, so it ended up being like a teeny tiny half-size shot glass from a freaking bowl. Like, I kept having to take the clay off and take the clay off. Look at my bowl. Oh, shit. Well, she gonna get me. She gonna get me. She gonna get me. Oh my God. Look at my bowl I just made in my pottery class. I messed my damn bowl up. Fooling with y'all. Well, look at that. I made this. Let me show y'all what else I made. Hold up. Look at me. Going back in the studio. And the instructor, we made this one. Well, she made this one first to show me like the whole process. So she made this one, which is so cute. And then I made this one too, this little one, because I messed up. So I ended up with from a bowl to this, this little piece right here. And this is the wheel that I was on working right here. And this is her private studio, which, by the way, she's not taking any more students, unfortunately. So I got in today. But this is some of the other work, I guess, other students did and stuff. I think I'm gonna love pottery. Like, legit, this was very therapeutic. Thank you, Miss Bonnie. I really appreciate it. I'm a whole pottery barn right now. Okay, just kidding. I hate that I didn't film the actual process of me working the clay. Girl, I was trying to have me a ghost moment from the movie Ghost. I wanted me a ghost moment with the clay, honey. But, okay. So I'm doing the pottery and any other little activity, class, something I can submerge myself in to help me fight these panic attacks. I was so at ease. She was her energy was so welcoming and calming. I needed her presence. I needed that because I was actually a little anxious before I went on my way to the class. But when I left the class, stopped at Target, now I'm home, I just felt like I needed this. Anyway, I'm about to go to, after I wipe this clay off, well, maybe the shirt too, but I'm going to go to Hobby Lobby and see what little crafts I just want to do for my own mental health. That's it. Just play around with some, I don't care if I'm beading again, I don't care. I need to be doing something to just keep my mind from just being free to roam. So yeah, oh, and let me tell y'all this before I even show you, okay? The bag reviews on this channel are going to be totally different now than I've ever filmed them because of multiple things, okay? Let me just say, multiple reasons. Not only that, but if I show you a bag in a video, all right, I'm not going to put the name on the screen, and I'm not going to link the video. I'm not going to link the contact stuff. If you happen to be interested in any bag that I show, and you're just curious about where the bag came from, email me, just email me and just say, you know, the bag. And I'll message you the contact information. And if they offer a code and all that stuff, I'll message you that as well. Yeah, there's no links to any bags on this channel. Anyway, so just message me if you happen to see a bag that you like that I show you. So let me show you this bag right here. This is a pink, okay, and you just, you know, mash these little clips right here, and that's what opens it up. Just clip those. My arm is tired. This arm right here did most of the, okay, girl, it did most of the work at the pottery class. So you open it up, and then you have, now if you follow me on TikTok, okay, you can still see the actual, the way I kind of did the bag reviews a little bit here. You can kind of still see that on TikTok, but you won't see it on here. You won't see it on Instagram. You won't see it probably on my Facebook either. So, yeah. But it looks like this on the inside. And then you have a pocket right here. Now, this ain't no super big bag, obviously. It's definitely a go-out bag, or maybe you're into small bags, maybe. So you can probably get your cell phone in there, your keys, lip gloss, credit cards, stuff like that, right? Super cute, good quality, feels amazing on my hands. And I want to say, I know this is a different material than this one. I know this is like, I don't know what this is, but it's like a, I don't know, butter. This is soft as well, but it's a different kind of a feel than that. So I know it's a different material. And then you have the chain on here, which is that brushed gold. So it's not like a super shiny gold. So it's half chain, half, you know, situation. Turn around like that. You know, you can put it up there. I'll show you. Yeah, you're going to be getting a totally different vibe than you've ever gotten before, sis. Okay? Yeah. If you know, you know. All right. And then you have this way. I love this bag. So cute. Love this. And, of course, perfect for crossbody. She is a 10 out of 10. Just because she pink. She pink and she good quality. She made well. She just definitely made well. And then you have, like, you know, the details or whatever. Can you see that on the hardware? Yeah. So again, sis, if you're interested in this bag or any bag that I show you or have shown you, just email me and say, hey, I'm interested in this bag. Maybe take a screenshot of the bag so I can know exactly which one you're talking about. And then I will email you what you need. But it won't be nowhere in a video or nothing like that, okay? No more. Period. So that's that. That's that. And I actually have it here. I put it right here on this shelf here. That's where this one lives. Right there. And that's that. So let me go ahead and get cleaned up, and then okay, the lighting is not so good that way. Sorry. And then I'm gonna actually I need to fix me something to eat first, and then I'm going to go to Hobby Lobby and find me a craft to get into. It helped me today, sis. It helped today. Let's see what we got in here for food.